Hello guys, welcome back to my page. I am Santanika and today we are going to talk about face yoga. As you all know that face yoga is anything that happens in and around your face area. So all the people who have acne prone skin or pimple marks, how can we terminate them or eliminate them just by using natural yoga practices? Now, as you can see, I have sat completely bare face. There is no makeup on my face, nothing. There is nothing on my face, and I was somebody who suffered from a lot of acne back when I was in school. Right now I'm in college. So when I was in school, I suffered from a lot of acne, and that time I would go to a lot of dermats, and they would prescribe me a lot of medicines, but somehow that didn't really help me. So thereby I thought ki let us try something else, and that's how I was introduced to face yoga. Face yoga is nothing but using simple yoga techniques to help in the three layers of the skin. As you know that there are three layers in the skin: the epidermis, the dermis and the hypodermis. So whenever there is an acne mark or there is pimple mark, it happens because the residues of the bacteria or the dead white WBCs, it is still present on the skin. So it can be eliminated by using face yoga because it helps in increasing blood circulation. It helps in increasing the renewal of skin, and thereby it makes the pimple skin or that area fade away very quickly. So I'll be sharing with you three of my top yoga postures which I do every day when I go to bed before sleep. Actually, I do this, and right now there's no makeup, there's nothing. So if you want to see how I do it, please keep on watching. And also, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll share my handle right away. You can follow me there for more tips on nutrition, lifestyle and beauty. So without further ado, the first exercise is the one that we call the balloon asana. So in balloon asana, what we do is nothing but you blow your face, hold that breath and leave it. So for some time, actually it's a balloon pose and not any balloon asana. According to me, I just hold it. I hold my pose and I let go of the air that is there. We will be doing this for at least 5 times before we go to the next asana. So it's as simple: hold some air, hold it for 3 seconds and then let go. So let us practice it together. We will be doing this for 5 times, and every day you have to practice this before you go to bed. What are the benefits? Is it increases the blood circulation, it improves, it goes down the layers, means it helps in going, your money muscles are regenerated and they go deep down the layer, and they facilitate the renewal of skin cells, thereby making your skin glow. Next one is you can go for blowing of the mouth or going for the fish shape. Can you see this? This will not only shapen your face and give you a chiseled cheekbone, it will not only give you a chiseled cheekbone, but it will also help in making better blood circulation in your skin. So always go for like hold, let go. You can do this for 5 to 3 times, as much as you feel is necessary. Then for your double chin is a massive problem among women and young girls, and let me tell you, it's completely curable and you don't have to do massive exercises. Just this exercise will help you in your double chin problem. First thing is hold it, let it go. Can you see? So in this way you're actually holding the muscles and then letting it go. So please do this for double chin. It really helps, and I had like a massive double chin back in school. Right now I've lost quite some weight. Okay, so next one is you can go for making a bigger O and then a smaller O, something like this. So this also, it gives your muscles a sort of relaxation. it seizes all the, if there is, it has been some blockage, or it has some nerve issues that are there. We, that there are supposed to be 3 face nerves. So if there is any problem in the functioning of the face nerves, you've been experiencing a lot of catches in your face, when you're getting up and you've experienced a catch, it is because of this, some blockage. So you can practice this posture. You can do it, just you can blow your face, then come back, blow your face, come back. You can also fill it with air. I just combine it with 2-3 asanas that I do, and you do it. So it's something like, I do it this way, a lot of people do it. So depending on whichever way you like it, you can do it. The last one definitely will be the eye exercise, which I do to keep my eyes healthy, because there's a lot of puffiness under your eyes at times. So just in case you're experiencing a lot of puffiness and you don't want that to happen to your face and to your area of your eyes, so you just do this. So you're rotating your eyeballs, and this region that is puffy, it helps in eliminating all the excess fat that is there. Even when I was small as a kid and I used to learn Kathak, that time also my Kathak ma'am used to make us do these eye exercises. You can go and do it this way, you can do it this way, you can do it this way. And I learned it when I was pretty young, and I don't really have a lot of puffy eyes. I know a lot of people do suffer from it, but this is the best exercise that you can do for puffy eyes. So just in case you've liked the video and you've taken anything from here, please do like the button, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to make such videos. And if there is any confusion, and if there is anything that you want me to answer, then please do comment below, and I would love to answer that for you. Thank you guys. It really motivates me to make more videos if you subscribe and like my page. Thank you so much.